Have you ever walked into a room and spotted an unexpected visitor, a moth, an ant, or maybe even a butterfly? Did you brush it off as random? Or did you wonder, why now? Why here? What if I told you that these tiny creatures might carry a deeper meaning, messages from the universe that could hold clues about your life, your emotions, or even your future? In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating, lesser known world, the symbolic and spiritual meanings behind the insects that appear in your home. Across cultures and spiritual traditions, these uninvited guests are believed to be more than just bugs. They're seen as messengers, guides, and even symbols of transformation and resilience. From ants symbolizing teamwork and connection, to butterflies representing personal growth and renewal, every insect has a story to tell. But there's more. Some meetings might surprise you. Did you know that the humble cockroach could symbolize rebirth and perseverance? Or that moths, often drawn to light, are seen as seekers of truth and intuition? Each appearance carries a message, and by understanding these signs, you might uncover insights into your own journey. Stay with us till the end, because this isn't just about bugs. This is about unlocking hidden messages and learning to see the extraordinary in the everyday. Whether you're facing a challenge, seeking clarity, or simply curious about the mysteries of life, this video is for you. Welcome to Whack-A-Mole Your Channel Name, where we uncover fascinating topics to inspire and intrigue you. If you're as curious about life's hidden meanings as we are, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Now, let's unravel the secrets behind the insects in your home. Have you ever wondered why certain insects seem to show up at just the right, or maybe the wrong, moment? Many spiritual traditions believe that their presence is no coincidence. Insects are thought to be messengers, delivering subtle cues from the universe or nature. They appear as reminders, reflections, or even warnings, urging us to pay attention to our lives and the situations we're navigating. Their behavior often holds the key to their message. For instance, if you notice an insect persistently crossing your path, like a fly that just won't leave you alone, it could be a sign of urgency. This might be nature's way of pushing you to address something you've been ignoring, whether it's unresolved emotions or unfinished tasks. On the other hand, insects that appear suddenly and then vanish, such as a lone butterfly in your living room, may symbolize fleeting moments of clarity or transformation, hinting at a shift that's about to take place. These appearances aren't just random. They align with deeper, often hidden aspects of our lives. They can serve as gentle nudges to reflect on our current challenges or embrace changes we might be resisting. Each insect, with its unique traits and habits, carries a symbolic message waiting to be uncovered if we're open to understanding it. When we start looking at specific insects and their meanings, each one reveals a unique story tied to its behavior and symbolism. Let's explore a few common ones that might appear in your home and what they could be telling you. The ants are the ultimate symbol of teamwork and community. Their constant movement and collaborative efforts remind us of the importance of working together toward shared goals. If you see ants in your home, it might be a nudge to examine your connections with others. Are you contributing to your community? Are you fostering strong relationships in your life? Ants teach us that success often comes from persistence and unity. Butterflies, on the other hand, are symbols of transformation and renewal. When one flutters into your home, it could signify that change is on the horizon. Butterflies encourage us to let go of old patterns or situations that no longer serve us. Their delicate beauty and transformative creature, from caterpillar to winged creature, inspire us to embrace growth, even when it feels uncertain. Bees, with their buzzing energy and structured hives, are powerful symbols of productivity and collaboration. They remind us of the sweetness of life and the rewards that come from hard work. If a bee makes its way into your space, it might be encouraging you to focus on your goals while staying connected to your community. Bees are also a call to savor the fruits of your labor and celebrate your progress. Moths, often seen as mysterious and nocturnal, symbolize intuition and the search for truth. Drawn to light, they can remind us to trust our instincts, even in times of uncertainty. A moth appearing in your home might be urging you to explore the hidden aspects of yourself or seek clarity in a situation that feels unclear. They are a quiet yet profound reminder to embrace your inner wisdom. Flies, though often seen as pests, carry messages of adaptability and clearing out negativity. Their persistence can be a signal to address something in your life that needs attention. Flies encourage us to adapt to challenges and let go of what's no longer beneficial. Their presence can serve as a wake-up call to declutter not just physically, but emotionally. And then there are cockroaches, which may not be the most welcome guests, but are deeply symbolic of resilience and survival. Known for their ability to thrive in harsh conditions, cockroaches remind us of our inner strength. When they appear, they could be encouraging you to persevere through difficult times and recognize that growth often comes from struggle. They're a testament to renewal and the ability to rebuild. No matter the circumstances, interpreting the messages that insects bring is about connecting with yourself and the world around you in meaningful ways. It starts with simple yet intentional steps to uncover what their presence might signify for your life. One of the easiest methods is journaling. When an insect appears, take a moment to note it down. Write about the insect itself, your immediate emotions, and the context of the moment. Were you stressed, calm, or thinking about a specific issue? This practice helps you identify patterns over time and opens the door to understanding what these encounters might symbolize in your journey. Another effective approach is meditation. Close your eyes and reflect on the insect's appearance. Was there something about its behavior that caught your attention? Meditate on what the universe might be trying to tell you. For example, a butterfly might prompt thoughts of transformation, while a persistent ant might remind you to focus on your collective goals or responsibilities. By quieting your mind, you can connect with deep insights that might not be immediately obvious. Pay attention to patterns and behaviors as well. Are certain insects showing up more frequently? Is there a specific type of insect you noticed during a major life change or emotional shift? Observing these details can reveal recurring themes or messages that you may need to explore. For instance, a moth consistently appearing at your window might signal a deeper call to trust your intuition during a time of uncertainty. Ultimately, the presence of insects can be used as tools for personal growth. They're not just random occurrences, but opportunities to pause, reflect, and realign with your purpose. Recognizing their meanings allows you to become more self-aware and responsive to the subtle signs that life presents. Each encounter can serve as a reminder that even the smallest beings hold wisdom worth exploring. The next time you see an insect in your home, don't just wave it away or ignore it. Take a moment to think about the message it might be bringing you. It could be a gentle nudge to embrace change, focus on your goals, or even tap into your inner strength. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, might hold the key to unlocking new insights about your life and your journey. If you've had interesting experiences with insects and their meanings, we'd love to hear about them. Share your stories and interpretations in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and uncover the hidden messages nature is sending us. If you enjoyed this video and found it enlightening, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more fascinating content like this. Join our community, and together, let's keep exploring the mysteries of life.